Hi, my love. Hi. Is, is this your bed? Is this your bed? Look at her. Is this your bed?
What made you get rid of that joint?
Hi, beautiful.
Watching you last night. From
Her
now
bed.
on, I'm gonna stick to being high on meat.
So this shirt, I
Hi, beautiful.
wanted to find a way to pay homage to Norman Lear. Facts of Life was part of the Norman Lear family. It's about 14 girls trying to
What's
find
wrong?
their way with a man in sports. Virginia
You're not the baby anymore.
It wasn't so overt.
Noodles. Your noodles.
The only time I ever saw a child with a disability on television as a kid was on a
I know, don't disturb your sister, come on.
It was Misty.
How was the bus ride?
I don't know.
A car?
No. A lemon.
1, 2, 3, go.
I was so
1, 2, 3, good job.
feeling from back to back.
Your sister, she's calling you.
It was a real
You're calling.
incredible feeling.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
You're not gonna make fun of me. You're not gonna call me name.
Wow. Papa's.
Yeah.
Okay.
A private.
Thank you so much. I love you.
So you're welcome.
Love you.
Thank you. Thank you.
When dealing with the realities of having to raise children and pay a mortgage.
Come.
Noodles, not noodles.
Come.
How are you? You're thirsty?
Tell you why Cheers was so popular in the
No,
80s.
drop.
But I do know that the song was brilliant.
As Taxi was coming to the end of its run, Lennon, Les Charles, and James Burrows were trying to think of what their next project would be.
No, they're knocking over.
We were a desperate
Sure.
network.
Get someone.
I
Here.
thought my future at NBC was on the line, and it was a
Don't say it.
remarkably simple pitch.
Funny.
Sam, the ex-relief pitcher, reformed alcoholic, who took his pitching coach, Nick Colasanto, started this bar. His regulars, George Wendt, Norm, who, it's stupid for me to try to describe these
That's
iconic
slippery.
characters that everyone
Huh?
knows better than me.
Wait.
Huh? I'm making a video of your anak eating noodles. Of course, I'm going to relax. What is slippery?
Nothing noodles on a slipper like.
Introduce storytelling.
Galit na si Jose.
He was turned on as I am.